This move-in day is going to be particularly like really hard because last year Carson left before I did, my boyfriend, so it was easier on move-in day to just be excited and move in. And this year he is still here for like another 10 days, so it just makes me really sad that, like another like 5 days, so it just makes me really sad that I'm gonna have to say bye to him and I have to move in. So I might be a wreck for part of this vlog. It's really hard. We've been dating for like 2.5 years now, and we're sort of attached at the hip during the summer, so it's really hard when we have to go back to school and we only see each other for a few times for 8 months. I'm not gonna do my makeup because I know I'm gonna cry, so I'll probably do my makeup at the apartment. Okay guys, I'll keep you updated. Ready to take stuff upstairs?
Let's go.
Okay, so some of this bedding goes, the mattress pad goes, this little box here goes, this is Jordan's stuff I'm taking, that's my Keurig, the cart that goes for the Keurig, that I got for the Keurig. I'm taking this. I was going to take the mirror, not sure if I'm taking the mirror anymore. I have decorations, my suitcase, a drawer divider, then a lot of stuff. This is the electronics bin, but I still have electronics to put in there, so I'll tape it up in a second. We have to get all this stuff upstairs and packed. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it all in the kitchen, and then we're gonna put it in the car from the kitchen since I'm in the basement. We don't want to make a ton of trips upstairs and then outside because that'll be hard. Sorry that was like so shaky. This is some of this is gonna be really shaky. I'm gonna try to use my camera as well. Yeah. This is goodbye part 2. I'm gonna miss you so much. I'm gonna miss you. Am I leaving? Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, puppy.
Are you going in our,
What?
are you going in our dad's car?
Yeah. Carson's not driving.
He's in?
No, Carson's leaving.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's so hot out here. Okay guys, so most of the bed of the truck is filled. I feel like I had more stuff when I moved into my dorm, honestly. I know I didn't, but I packed it better this time. If I can make a load in a pickup truck fit into a dorm, half a dorm, then I can make this stuff fit. Okay guys, I'm like a mess because I have to say bye to Carson and my dog, and I'll see my family in like a weekend, but it's really hard leaving Carson. If anyone has a long distance relationship during school, like the 8 months of school, and it's like really hard for them, please let me know, because I feel like I'm the only one that it's like, I get so upset and I feel like it's so irrational because I know I'll see him again. But just the thought of only seeing him like 3 times in 8 months, or like 4 times in 8 months, just like drives me crazy. I look like crap. Are you gonna miss me? Okay, anyway, I'll update you guys probably when I'm in the car or when I start getting to my apartment, because I have to say bye to Carson and I have to say bye to my dog and stuff, so. You don't know how much I'm gonna miss both of you. miss you, puppy. Go miss you. Oh. She knows I'm leaving. I'm so sad.
Where is my phone?
Everyone say hi to the vlog.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, vlog.
Hey. Wait, look, we got espresso.
Chris, you're already eating our candy. That's not yours.
Oh my gosh.
This is so funny.
It's a Costco size.
Okay, so Ashley got us gifts, so we're gonna open them.
So not that we need more.
Oh, I
Yeah,
was
we
looking
would.
at literally buying this
But
one.
I saw them at Anthropology. I was like, I have to get them
Look at
for
our
us.
colors we got.
And they're cute primary colors.
Can we put these on by the coffee bar?
Yes, that'd be so cute.
I
love the
literally
color of
love.
yours.
I love the yellow ones. Okay, guys, so there's gonna be yelling in the background, but this is a sneak peek of my apartment. Sorry I haven't updated you. You guys don't know how long it's been, but it has been a while. So basically, the room is really tight, so I sort of had a small panic attack, and that's definitely okay. We sat down, calmed down. I haven't really unpacked much yet, but the apartment is 10 times better than our tour was. Like, it's so beautiful. It's small, but it's literally just enough space for us. And right now we're really struggling to move the furniture in my room, so I'm gonna vlog everyone struggling. We're really trying to make this room work because there's 2 of us in here and the closets are just like messed up with where they're placed. So there's like, we're trying to fit 2 beds. It's an ordeal. I'm gonna show you guys. Hear the screaming? So all of my stuff is in the hallway because we're moving everything in my room.
Okay, ready?
Hi, YouTube!
Hey, fans.
Oh, wait, I'm over here.
Okay.
We can't. We need to pivot
This
more.
boy is pressing.
We need to pivot.
Stop. No, that's already. This has already happened. So it's like whatever.
So who wants to explain what we're trying to do?
We're trying to
Can
put
we-
this
Can we
in
switch
here.
Can we
That's.
switch?
I don't think it's gonna fit now that I see it in front
It
of
will. It
No,
will.
it's deep.
It's
That
just
closet
stuck.
is deep.
It's fit. It's fit.
Like you.
Kaitlyn, is there?
Move
Yeah, move this back.
Wait, we can't. It's
Yes, you can. I need to take my phone out.
Move them to the side. Your nail fell off.
The sacrifices she's making.
Good thing we're getting our nails done tomorrow.
Kaitlyn.
Wait, who said we're getting our nails done
We're getting our
tomorrow?
nails done tomorrow. You're invited.
That's a move.
I'm gonna send this down.
The nail.
Yes.
Should we keep it in here and name it?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Literally, it's like human sacrifice. Put it in a jar.
48 hours.
Oh my god, you're that bitch with the hydro.
Have you seen that
Look at this
video?
shit. Look at it. I can just.
Wow.
Oh my god.
This is like shit I don't use. This is like baby.
Girl, that looks professional.
Random shit. Yeah, I'm
Who
interior
knew we were
designer.
interior designers?
I'm the interior designer. I put the 69 on the glitter board.
Sacrifice only.
Can you push? Push!
Oh my god.
I'm kind of stuck.
Yeah. Can she get out so she don't
Walk
get
that way.
You lift, right? Lift up the bed. Crawl under.
Oh, damn.
Okay, get out.
Okay,
I really love how Kaitlyn's
this side.
helping.
Lift from this side.
Oh, I'm helping a
I
lot.
love how Kaitlyn's helping.
Hey, stick it there.
Here, we'll just scooch in a little bit.
Who broke what?
It's because no one can lift up that leg, so
Oh,
it's
I
not
can.
wobbles.
Squeeze in there.
Or wrap.
No.
Wow. How about some head and heart?
Kevin Hart. Okay, well.
Yeah, that's what I heard. That's what I bop to the head and the heart every day. It smells like period. Is that the mattress?
It's not me, but because I'm.
Well, I am just starting my period. Yep, it's a mattress.
Really? Do you smell that?
It's the mattress smell.
It smells like period.
It's paint, I think.
Smell it. Smell like that.
Mine's
Do you smell this period steam coming off?
Here, Jordan goes.
Oh, I smell it now. Ew. It smells like period.
Jordan goes, well, I did just start my period.
I'm not done.
See, she on the bed and I'm taking off the plastic. Now she's on the bed now.
I just want a bed.